Hello guys, this is Dave Brown. We are in Healthy Cocktails and today we learn how to make the Salty Dog, which is a very famous classical cocktail, but we'll do it the healthy way. See you in a bit. Normally in this very amazing Salty Dog, we have grapefruit juice, we have ice, we have salt, we have gin with ice, and it's so delicious and refreshing. In this case, because we are using only healthy elements, what I did is I took instead of the gin, I took the Stevia syrup, which we saw in a previous video, and I infused those Juniper beans, which are very good, so healthy for you. So what we did, we squeeze it in a bowl, we put the water inside, I left it for 2 minutes to heat like an infusion in the microwave, then I put it out, I let it relax. So that's why you have this color, which is like an infused juniper, and with the stevia it makes it a little bit sweeter. So now we will proceed to the cocktail. So first of all, what we will do, we'll take the shaker and we'll put the ice inside to cool down a little bit the shaker, okay? And in the glass also, okay? There you go. So while those two glasses, this glass and the ice is melting here and making cooler, what we will do, we will start cutting the grapefruit. Okay, we leave it a piece apart, just for decoration, and all the rest, we'll squeeze it inside the other part of the shaker. There we go. This one we leave it aside, as we said, and we cut. Okay, so we cut already at the half of it, and we'll squeeze. What we want here is to squeeze everything so we can put it after as the juice inside the glass. You see, it's much better this way than a juice already prepared, because it has no artificial sugars, and this is a good way to start your day. We cut more. Put it inside, because if you put everything inside at the same time, it's very hard to press, right? So we do it in two different moments. There you go. And what we will do is going to be amazing. Love it. Just to think about it. All right. Press until there's really no more juice I can take out. There you go. I think this would be good. So we don't need to cut anymore, and we don't need to press anymore, okay? So what I will take here, I will stir a little bit to cool down the shaker. We do this so when we do the drink after, it will be ice cold. Okay, but what happened here, we have some water. So what I'll do, I'll take the extra water out. Okay, and I put everything inside and I'll start shaking. All right, once it's shaken, so now we have a cold juice with a little bit of melted ice inside. I'll take the glass, we do the same procedure. Okay, but in this case, I will throw the ice out for the moment. All right, we put the rim just a little bit, and I'll gently put salt around. Half of it of the glass is better, I think, because when you put half of the glass, then on this side, for the ones, if you don't want so much salt, you can drink on this side, and this will leave it for decoration. Then I put the ice again. There you go. So now we have a glass which is very cold and decorated. We have the juice, and we start. There you go. So when we finish with this, because this is not gin, we just pour it inside to complete the glass. You can have more juice normally. In this case, there wasn't so much juice, but it's okay because at the end it's also mixed with stevia and juniper beans, so it makes a nice drink. So it can be a little bit more sour, a little bit less sour, but generally a very good drink. Very refreshing and perfect for summer. And last but not least, we put this decoration inside. And we have here an amazing drink ready to serve or ready to drink. Let's see what my dear friend thinks about. See you in a bit. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Whoa, it looks good. I like the rim of the glass, the salty rim. Let's try. I'm so lucky, feel so lucky right now. On the rim with no salt. Quite good. Now let's try with the salt from the Himalaya. This is really an explosion of flavors. Cheers and see you in the next video.